subjective reasoning. So if you ask about the youth at Cherry Tree Lane now, where you say police unalive, you have to ask me that when the investigation is completed. Me not just jump up and go do things and go say things because me I look likes and views. And me know say the whole I want to hate police now. So now I me jump on the hate police wagon and me not have no facts. Me not have no evidence. Me not have no information. Me see a video with a man open that door. Me don't know what happened after that. So the investigation is ongoing. So stick to the matter at hand. Stick to the matter at hand. The matter at hand is all the people that were out here trying to tear down the Prime Minister, they are back to the bottom of the totem. That is where they're at now. Then the internet have beg bread. Then the internet have beg people come fix roof after like a rainfall. So now we know say we were dealing with some low lives. We are dealing with some deplorable. We are dealing with some sitting when the PNP risers them got dig up to set pa the Prime Minister. To propagate them lies. And look at it. Big endorsement. The top of the top people them from the risers, the top of the top PNP risers. I wish you a happy anniversary. But now you have to out there beg people fix your roof. $100. Just imagine that. When they needed you to use you to tear down Andrew Holness and his family, and whosoever else who could have tear down, them give you the biggest big up. And you cut and splice how much Vegas video. How much of my video them you take and cut and splice and post on your platform. Me no say nothing. Because me know say your day shall come. And listen me. We don't start ball yet. When the hungry lick, we are going to hear how them use you. When the hungry lick, we are going to hear why them win 14 more seats. And how much things you not do for them win them 14 seats there. We are going to hear. Because hungry I got clear to know. Time I got coming up. Because 4 years, 5 years is a very long time. And the rain shall come again. Because whatever it is that is more powerful than I is not done with you yet. Because bare wickedness will not keep up. So if a God you believe in, you believe in whatever you believe in, Buddha, you believe in Allah, whatever you believe in is not done with you yet. You see how they are treat big stone? You see them look for big stone? Big Stone are the first one to kick off them campaign for tear down Andrew Holness. Before illicit enrichment, they used to call Andrew Holness a slave master. And you people were used to attack the man's character, to destroy the man's character. And now they are beg people fix on the roof. Call them. Make somebody go to the real number for them and call them. But the bang not work. The WhatsApp group not work no more. The base where we used to get the information from to come tear down and spread the rumor. That not work no more. It empty out. Them done it to know. The mongrel are ready back for you if you're not dead for hungry by the next 5 years done. And they will circle you back and promise you again. promise you say if them win, them are going to share $1 billion for you. And then can go up and campaign, go talk about. Yes, and we have our content creator. We have our content creator, and we're sharing up $1 billion. Yeah. Just imagine how dunce and fool and fool. When decide say we're not going to take on this job, we're not going to take on this task of tearing down Andrew Holness because somebody promised you say if them win. Well, the word if alone should I make you understand say it no must happen. So if you so dunce and fool, where people can just use with that word if, not to say these people are billionaires. We have donated this amount of money towards Gabriel and them and all of them for provide content for the Risers Party. They're gonna promise and then make a note straight say if so you already know say it must happen. But you did believe say it will happen. You did believe say no if. You did believe say if means something different. You make it look a fool profit them, the so-called profit them, PROFIT them. The PROFIT them, we are taking people them money at the church door and the chair and the offering plate from the offering plate. When I make them tell them say when PNP win. So when I run with the line profit them, the line PROFIT them, and believe say PNP Risers are going to win. So when I put it all upon the line, and now when I can't even buy zinc to fix on the roof, where water wash away. Look at God. Look at God. I want to have no shame about it. I want to not even have no shame about it. And then people want us to like don't say anything about it. And, oh, election done. Yeah. Let us take the high road. No. They took us down to the pit of hell with them. And we did have some relatives down here, some wicked relatives, and we are give them a little visit before we left. We hanging out with the wicked relatives, them went down at hell. So we still as soon down here burn. So we're not ready for left yet. So all I want to know about, oh, it's time no election done, it's time to unite, and you're unite. No. We still there hell, we don't know. Don't get hot bad. But we are going to hang out a little bit. We want to see when Satan had joking with the 3 teeth fork. We want to see when Satan had given us some backside down here. For so wicked. For even when the information come out, say the man have 28 bank account, you know, still the platform and say the man have 28 bank account and the man thief taxpayer money. I want to know say a lie. I want to know say a lie. I want to know say a propaganda. But to make the risers, the people who run the Risers Party, the Tapanaris them, want to make them use, you know, for go around and tell lie and try to destroy the man credibility. So the world, people outside of Jamaica, people who are not even citizens, cannot see me and say, what kind of thing that the Prime Minister go out of Jamaica, me have to walk and tell all people when they live in Jamaica, say, a lie. Me have to read report to people, see me, no man, the Prime Minister, see them all, you know, them inflate all the numbers, them to make it look like say you have 400 million, me have to show people. What? Una must get a beaten. Uno must get a beating. Belly a ground, you must get a beating. Me not ask, me might not, listen me, no man knows the minute nor the hour. And some of we might not, they have to soon, no backside we wanna get, but you know, I go get a beating. Hi there, Andre.
Hi there.
How was school?
It was good. You see, I showed you the picture.
Stop going to school late.
I showed you.
Sir, school is 6:30, not 6:45, not 6, sir. School is 6:30. If I alone in that class, go sit down in that class, you alone.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Uno gonna get a beating. Uno have to get a beating. Once you hold this whoever hide, why him take them to court? Him take them to court because I'm a thief. Him a thief, taxpayer money. I will say, yo, we're going to goat, we're going to pig, we're going to money, we're going to farm, we're going to land, we're going to everything what we could have did put together. And we say, here is a gift, here is a reward for us to just show we where Dr. Andrew Holness took $1 from the public purse for his own personal gain. I'll know no can't collect goat them. I'll know no can't collect them what people put up. People are give we have 10 dozen chicken all kind of sit and say, just show we one thing, $1 where Andrew Holness thief from the public purse. But no, we don't never satisfy, we don't make the same risers people them, the same risers leaders them, where collude with other bodies to bring down the Prime Minister, we don't make them come now and go no more ammunition. So no run around and talk about the man business from 1997 to 2025. A man business, a man must go find receipt. If you wish to buy any little thing from 1997, we don't want scheduled expense. We don't want man break down how he spend every dollar. Me not even remember money we spent last year. I don't think so. Whether them risers them did win or lose, them never did go no dog shit. Them never did go no nothing. I just use them, you know. Straight use, you know. Steve McGregor was just picked and jammed in Central Kingston against a youth, Lawrence Rowe, were dead at work for the PNP. According to information, Lawrence Rowe was the data man. Lawrence Rowe was the architect in creating the inflated data, according to information, for the Risers Party. Lawrence Rowe was the bad cop for them. And what did they do to him? Then bring in Steve McGregor, who ended up losing. Listen, look at God work, man. Look at God, look at God, man. Lawrence Rowe, we put on all, we fix up all the constituency building. We do all of the dirty work for them. They thought he was not good enough. And you think so you look in your brain. You think so they give shit that you think they care about you? Huh? What are you? Me see one of them, like he never taking medicine. I want to be the strategist. Me granny soup. I don't want to be no opposition senator. I want to be, this is what I want to be. I want to be Mark Golden strategist. Emmanuel the Amma go so. Whooping our head to blood clean, one licking our head in the Amma. You know, man, part the internet up with the Amma. Emmanuel go so one in our head. All I want to get used by the risers. When I look on Big Sambo, Oral Tracy, we come dress up people dress up dog in a green, and I basically insinuate say we a dog. Big Sambo, Oral Tracy. We are yeah, the people else want to know. The people else want to know how you make your money. Come here, have some drugs dealer friend else do. You have some people just want to know how you make your money. They just want to know how you make your money. Yeah, they just want to know how you make your money. Yeah, man, you just come tell, I wait for call the election. Let's call the election and make people them vote, man. Let's call the election and make people them vote. All of a sudden now, I can tell you why. The PNP them lose the election. They spend more time at about corruption and illicit enrichment. I just said, what? What? Samba? Big Samba Oral Tracy? Mark Golding promised the Maroon him say I put Maroon in a Senate. What's stopping? What is stopping Mark Golding from put a Maroon in Senate? Do it still, you still can put them in a Senate. Eh? You see them name, you see him choose none of them? Eh? Richard Curry would decide say him suddenly wanted to be a Jamaican because he was no longer sovereign. Because Mark Golding was going to win the election. And he thought he was going to be sovereign. It was not going to be sovereign anymore. It was going to be Jamaican, so he could get a seat in the parliament. I'm seeing on the internet about land. Then back to the land situation. They're back to land. They're back to square one. The only thing now, I hope say, this Pratt where them what a Portland I go get them something. Go get them land with them depend for how long. But that need legislation and that they can't pass, them can't just act so when the back at one. They can't just go take up land and take land for themselves. As a matter of fact, you come like a Bobby Montague a deal land now. And Bobby Montague is not going to. All I want to get used. All I want to get used. The young one miss still a hold on. Because she don't realize the election done. Because she still thinks that them still account the box them on Andrew's constituency. The only one I see out there hold on, like she hold on, is Miss Jackson Miller. Because I don't know where she developed this hatred here for the Prime Minister. All I want to get a beaten, you know. Una have to get a beaten. The woman asks them nothing but stealing in an election, buying votes in an election. She not asks them nothing about that, you know. And as soon as Floyd Green and another person went on her platform, she, so you're telling me that you didn't buy any votes? And she not asked the comrade them that. She never asked the snapper. And the next person we go the interview with her. So you're telling me you didn't buy any votes? When the snapper I tell you say, right before the election, people donated tablets. So no buy vote that. Why? Because I never cash. So no buy no vote that. So I just go give people anything when I know so the money can buy. And say a donation. The whole of them get a beaten. On top of that, we have to go deal with Andrew Holness for the next 5 years. And we have to take it down to the wire again, September 3rd again. So time comes slogan dead. You can't use back that. When I go for me say when I plan something called fresh start. Fresh start? That not sound good. That not sound good. The amount of snapper when I have over there, when I have to go salt start, can't be fresh start. Have a salt start. Be a snapper when I have over on the party. The first start thing not gonna work, that doesn't sound good. First start. That not sound good. All I want to get used. All I want to get used. But notice the people them. Notice the people who are supporting the Jamaica Labour Party. Either them going to school, either them a nurse, teachers, doctors, lawyers, people with jobs, and so if God still have a life. Uno just decide say uno never want to do nothing with uno life all of these years. And come blame Andrew and say him not do nothing for uno in a 9 years. And think say PNP was going to come rescue uno from uno laziness. Rescue uno from uno lack of ambition. Uno think say PNP was going to come rescue uno and go back to the days of handout mentality and guillotine mentality. And we run the roadwork program and we run all of the government program them. So we get such and such contract and such contract. So that means say such and such to get the contract and the contract in the constituency. Yeah, it come pop off a thing too, no? And we have to fix the road 5 times. For the same road I fix 5-6 times because a government contract are run, yeah, and the Chinese them can't bid for it because we already have our own people to come fix road and then patchy two little part and collect and write in and say them they send in invoice. That done. All I want to get used. Done. So this is just a tip of the iceberg. We know what you are beg already. We know that you are not look shame. We could even say you make election cool off a little bit before you start beg. Want to know? Me not understand this. Y'all are a WhatsApp group where the tapanaris them and the people them will represent, yeah, the hierarchy of the risers, the PNP risers party. Y'all are a WhatsApp group. We know about the group. Y'all were being fed information. When you say dunce like sea breeze, come out here try talk to people on platform. When him dunce like a bat. And when he get the message from the WhatsApp group, him not even know how to convey the message. He just step out one thing like him in a stock. Him just like, oh, corruption. I want to know corruption. Him can't come out come articulate when they tell him. When second information when get from the group. All I want to so warm to the group. Why you never just drop in at the group say the rain wash away your roof? Just put in at the group, say, listen, the rain wash from my roof. When you come out on platform, I can come make we. We, when we only did out here, disrespect we. When out here, disrespect we, disrespect the Prime Minister. We not even know, no. We not even know this shark. And next thing, I see the shark, I take my video, chat them up and put on the platform. I disrespect me. I mean, I know the shark from Adams. The first video I make, you know. The shark I'll chop up one video for me, you know. And you the shark chop this. You know, so the shark me call a labor right cost me. Yo, listen me spread sharky. You know, so sharky make a labor right cost me. And a good thing, me never hot-headed. Figure in an argument, figure cost back in labor right, you know. The man make a labor right cost me, you know. Disrespect me, you know. Because the shark cut me video with Mr. Holness in the church and put on him platform. Yeah? And make people all cuss me, you know. So me out there talk things about the Prime Minister, you know. And you come out here beg make we see? You're an idiot, man. You're an idiot, man. You're an idiot, man. Back to the gully. Back to the gully you go. Straight back down in the gully. Yeah, man. One think so when that can run Jamaica. One think so when that can get taxpayers hard-earned money. Yeah? One thinks so when that can rob the public purse. One thinks so the NIR with the $6 billion was fool. No? But we no win. But we win 14 seats, so that's a win. 14 seats, that's a win on the backside. On our opposition. On the back at square, 0. Square, 0. Opposition, all not going to do in a parliament and get trouble. Now want to start a new campaign. Andrew Holness have too much ministers. I want to win. Want to win election and not talk about ministers. Every person who qualified to be a minister will win a seat. Make them a minister, Andrew Holness. We want ministers in everywhere. We want every MP, yeah, be a minister. So them know say, yo, you're not going to sit on your constituency and not do no work. You have work to do. You're a minister. You're a minister and you're under the Prime Minister portfolio. So we're watching you and you have work to do. You can't come now say, yo, you're just in your constituency. No, you have work to do for the country, Jamaica. It's not just about your constituency. You have work to do for the country. DeAndre, you want something? DeAndre, you see me on the live, man, you make up nice. Yeah, man. We want to minister everything. Find someone ministries, Mr. Holness. Make them ball. When I start calculate up how much money, see one comrade, look what me pass a video, even though the Prime Minister is getting 50 times the amount of money was such a, me I'm like, what? You calculate all that too? Can you all confirm this? Them said the Prime Minister take him raise. Achoo? Somebody confirm that to me. They said the Prime Minister take him raise. Somebody want to type yes if it's true. Because the Prime Minister need to take him raise. The Prime Minister need to take him raise. We know what? No Prime Minister. No. Prime Minister, you know, listen to it. Take your raise. Mark Golden must not be getting more money than you. Take your pay. After next term done, we want to have a private jet. We don't want to take no airline with look like, no, we want to have private jet too. Private jet. Because in 10 years time, if we don't do nothing with the life, we don't tell her what Andrew Holness business sitting wrong, we don't know. 10 years, I want to plan for it. We want to plan for the next 5 years. We don't come and talk about the man choose too much ministers. We want to plan for the next 5 years. If you come beg money on internet, come beg money on TikTok. What want to plan for the next 5 years? Because we can't change the outcome of the election. So what I want to plan? What I plan? What I going to do? What y'all going to do? Because we cannot come 2030 and tell we say Andrew Holness around the country for 14 years and him not do nothing for you. We can't come with a story there. We have a 5 years goal what we're supposed to set. What are your goals for the next 5 years? Gabriel, you start on the wrong foot. You start beg too quick. We have 28 members of parliament. So we have no excuse. We have 28 members of parliament. So we are going to see now if members of parliament are the work in the constituency. We don't think it's a blessing and we just going to get this so and this. No. We are going to hold them accountable too. You see? So get used to 28 members of parliament I get called out and point out, like we point out to the gully them we are wash with. At the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation responsible for fix up the gully them. One of the things we can come spread more propaganda about ya. And now do no work, we are point it out. At the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation responsible for clean up and fix up the gully them. And ensure say no illegal building not going up on the gully bank them. Don't wait until people put up the illegal dwellings on the gully bank when you come and tell the people and say they shouldn't do it. That means you not pay attention to the constituency. You not wait till the people and build up the thing on the gully bank and live there for 12 years and 20 years and 40 years and I can tell them after. No. It means you not do no work and we are holding accountable. Mayor Swaby, you must link up with the people of this country. We are willing to work with you to go around, to canvass and make certain so we clean the gully them. And that we need to do. We need to clean the drains and the gully them so when the rain fall, people house and business places not flood out. That is the job of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation in our zone. And the one them are Spanish Town and the one them all over the country, Westmoreland. If you know house are flood out, you know have to make sure say the municipalities them are clean the drain them and the gully them. On the internet a campaign day in, day out. Mark Golden say we want better Jamaica. We have 28 members of parliament now. Challenge them. Challenge the municipal corporation them. Challenge them to do them work. The same venom, the same energy. Want to try use to tear down Andrew Holness if him lose the election. Use that same energy. Tap about 28 bank account and illicit enrichment. The people them already voted. The people them say make the court deal with that. Use the same energy want to use through the election cycle and challenge the member of parliament. Challenge the councillors them and the mayor them. That we don't need to do now. We don't come chat nonsense about the man that chose too much ministers. How much ministers Portia Simpson did have? Portia Simpson have more ministers than we Andrew Holness have now. We still a campaign. We lose. The election done. We lose. None of what I say now, no money what I say. Have a salary now. Dean Jackson Miller, you could have talked till your mouth grow on your ears. It now got change. You don't want to, you gleaner, if you want to stress about over $500 million. If Gleaner want to put it on them front page, say over $500 million to pay parliamentarian, minister, we not listen, the people them done vote, the election done. Using the energy, Dean Jackson Miller, Big Sambo, using the energy now, because I want to say I don't care about poor people, using the energy now to hold in MP, the MP them accountable, and the councillor and the mayor them. And that are the thing now if you on the internet a chat, because we want something to talk about. Y'all want something to talk about. Time come done. Illicit enrichment done. The court are going to deal with that. Call it, Andrew, call it, done. Blood and fire, comrade, done. Done. So, Miss Lady with the belly on the floor, pick up your belly. The election done. Pick up your gut. When you're there at the security station where they put you, just look a squat in the meantime when nobody now look. 1, two and breed. Do look squatting. Look squatting. Put your back against the wall and do look squatting. Election done. What about my prime minister? My prime minister. Mark Golin is my prime minister. Mark Golin is my prime minister. An idiot. Election done. Go and make use. When you man name without teeth. The man we see now also living at the pigsty. Go and take advantage of the smile program with the man at Jamaica. You can put in denture. Election done. Go put in teeth. Go now. Go take advantage of that program. This administration is planning to open a center for pre-dementia. And that we don't need for the pan internet because enough we getting older and dementia no prejudice. And them think they if you walk on the internet at tabo now, you know see a ton of old man, you know see a old. You know see they at the stage. And that if you depend on the internet every day, pen internet about and it's a disgrace, and it's a shame, and it's a disgrace, and it's a shame that this administration. Go around the internet and make the older citizens them know say we are opening a pre-dementia center. Go out of here. That you need to run anything like you're still a campaign. You're still a campaign. I can't believe election done. You see? We'll have to go deal for the next 5 years. See? So just to wrap, belly a ground, make them give one little dog. You can't be a security, it's somebody a thief, you can't set a dog for them. Because you can't run. Yeah? So belly a ground. Make them give one little dog, if I want a little mongrel. And Gabriel tap company internet a big $100. Go back in the WhatsApp group if you need have one WhatsApp group on the inner. The same information outlet. Go back to that information outlet and tell them say the rain wash your roof. Water come in on my roof. Me sweep out some with the broom. The little dog go in a group and sing that. Uno see me roof. Uno see me roof. Go in a group go sing that. Uno see me roof. Uno see me roof. That way they go in a group go tell them. So you never live no way, really. And you look at rain fall and wash your roof. And you need back a roof by the end of the month. Go in a group go tell them that. Go in a find the group. Or find back the banger phone. Because I want to say, when you did so pompous. Y'all was so important before the election and now on the internet a beg. And it is so important before the election. Oh, you might call them name. Hey, the big man a call your name. Oh, you get shout out. Yeah, you shout out. You shout out. Yeah, Dre. Yo, Dre. This is, hey. I just want to wish you, hey Dre, and then it's Pratt one, hey Dre, I just want to wish you happy anniversary. Where are they now? Make them do a video now and say, hey Dre, we have seen the work that you did. And we know you work very hard. Here is a roof. I know you need a roof over your head. Here is a roof. A years PNP exploit people. Years. From me a pitney until me come turn man and realize they are really the party where exploit people. Them exploit poverty. Them exploit every need where the people them have. I saw them run the country for so many years. They are exploiters. They're not telling you the truth like where Andrew is telling you, say, yo, bitter medicine are coming up. At the first time in our lifetime, in my lifetime, me see the Jamaica Labour Party got the opportunity to continue what it started. At the first time it ever happened. Every time the Jamaica Labour Party started something, here comes the PNP, play upon the people of emotion, exploit them for them ignorance, exploit them for poverty, exploit them on every grounds that can exploit them. Now, we couldn't do. The Risers Party exploited the shark them. You couldn't make this up. And then people like Foottype are running on about Sambo agreement. When in party, I exploit shark and whale and sprat and snapper. Exploited them and now left them out there. To fend for themselves. The party will exploit for getting to power. I want to now learn. Here is your opportunity now to make something in your life. Find something to do. Go learn one skill. If you have a piece of money, start away in a foreign, come buy a piece of land in Jamaica and just buy the land and left it. It must 3x or 4x or 5x. Depends on where you buy it. Me did I try buy land at St. Thomas, me can't buy it now. St. Elizabeth are developed and this administration is telling you the zones them. You know, if you get no tip from the backdoor deal. This administration is telling you the places them where them are going to develop. Right now we need farmers in Jamaica. We don't have enough farmers. People are bad say, yo, we are import too much food. Don't chat. Yeah, import this administration, import the most food. Then we must import food if we don't have nobody for farm. What are we going to do? Dead for hungry? What are we going to do? Everybody that, oh, we need more produce. The people them not on a farm, have to farm their land. Have to reap the crops. Yeah? And that we need to encourage. Because anytime the Chinese them start farm, PNP are going to run with it, say Chinese come take away farming. Anytime we start bringing some Cuban to come farm and some Philippines to come farm, because we not going to make, because we're not lazy, we not going to make because we don't want to elevate ourselves, the people suffer as a result. So anytime the Chinese them start farm, a different story. Because we are invest in agriculture. And we're not going to make people crop spoil. We're not going to make the citizens dead for hungry in this country. Because we not nobody to reap the farm. You see? So, left it there so. Big up on yourself. And stay safe.